Hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. My name is Ishang Dua and today we will be learning Kotlin while loop, like how to apply while loop in the Kotlin language. But before beginning, let's discuss what is a while loop. Basically, while loop is a loop that is, we also name it as entry control loop. And entry control loop means that is a loop in which the required condition, that is the, like you can say, if we have put I is less than equal to 10, this is a required condition, it's need to be matched before the code is processed. So let's see how to make the while loop in Kotlin. So here we would be creating a new project, would be selecting Kotlin JVM. Next, giving the name of project while loop demo, and would be going on to finish. Yes, so screen has been made. Now in the while loop we would be coming onto the source and would be making a new Kotlin file or a class. Here say we can give it as name file. Yeah, so here we would be coding. We can write fun main and can take where I equals to 0. Now we would be applying while loop I is less than any value which we have to give. Again, start the brackets and just print the statement. That is, you can give any, that I will not make the mistake again. Just put the semicolons and increment the I. Now we would be going on to run and run the file, that is main.kt.kotlin. Yes, see, its output has been printed here. So yes, this is the way that how we can make a while loop in Kotlin. So we would be keeping it till here. In the next lecture we would be learning more loops and more interesting concept. So stay tuned. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Kindly like this video, comment on the video so that we can get more useful comments from your side and can improve ourselves, and share the video to your friends and to the people who you think it will help, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we add a new video you are always there. And thanks for watching.